Welcome back to CLB Healthy Remedies. Today's discussion is incredibly close to our hearts as we delve into the fascinating realm of foods believed to have cancer-fighting potential. Now, we want to emphasize right from the start that there's no miracle cure in a single food item. However, research suggests that certain nutrients can indeed play a significant role in supporting our body's natural defenses against cancer cells. In this video, we're going to explore 10 specific foods, each backed by scientific studies, that are thought to harbor compounds with anti-cancer properties. Remember, always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice, and now, let's unlock the potential of these incredible foods in the fight against cancer. Let's jump right in. 1. Berries. Our journey begins with the vibrant and delicious world of berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants, specifically flavonoids. These antioxidants have been linked to potential cancer-fighting properties, as they help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Next on our list are cruciferous vegetables, including broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are packed with compounds like sulforaphane, known for its anti-cancer effects. Research suggests that sulforaphane may help inhibit the development and growth of cancer cells while supporting the body's detoxification processes. 3. Turmeric. A vibrant yellow spice, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin has demonstrated anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and some studies suggest it may play a role in preventing and treating cancer. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, perhaps in the form of turmeric tea or as a spice in your cooking, could offer potential health benefits. 4. Garlic. Garlic is not just a flavorful addition to your meals but also a potential cancer-fighting ally. Allicin, a sulfur-containing compound found in garlic, has been associated with anti-cancer effects. Some studies indicate that garlic may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the digestive system. 5. Leafy greens. Such as kale, spinach, and Swiss chard, are nutritional powerhouses. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these greens contribute to overall health and may have anti-cancer properties. The abundance of folate, fiber, and carotenoids in leafy greens supports the body in maintaining a healthy environment, potentially reducing the risk of certain cancers. 6. Green tea. Swap your regular cup of coffee for a refreshing cup of green tea. Green tea contains compounds like catechins, which have been studied for their potential in preventing and treating various types of cancer. Regular consumption of green tea is associated with a lower risk of certain cancers, making it a flavorful and healthful addition to your beverage choices. 7. Nuts and seeds. Including almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. These foods offer a variety of health benefits, and some studies suggest that the compounds found in nuts and seeds may have protective effects against certain cancers, especially breast and colorectal cancers. 8. Berries. We're circling back to berries because they deserve a second mention. The diverse range of antioxidants in berries, along with their rich nutritional profile, makes them a standout in the quest for cancer prevention. Consider adding a handful of mixed berries to your daily diet to enjoy their potential health benefits. 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not just a kitchen staple but also a potential cancer-fighting food. They contain the antioxidant lycopene, which has been studied for its role in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Cooking tomatoes can actually enhance the absorption of lycopene, so don't hesitate to include them in your soups, stews, and sauces. 10. Fatty fish. Our final contender in the fight against cancer is fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish have anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to cancer prevention. Additionally, omega-3s play a role in maintaining overall heart and brain health. And there you have it, 10 foods that may have cancer-fighting properties. Remember, a balanced and varied diet is key to overall health, and incorporating these foods into your meals can be a delicious and proactive step in supporting your well-being. However, it's essential to approach cancer prevention holistically, considering factors like lifestyle, exercise, and regular checkups. Before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, consult with healthcare professionals to ensure the approach aligns with your individual health needs. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.